Most of a building's carbon is decided early, when designs are still sketches and the client asks which option has the lowest carbon impact. Carbon Designer 3D is built for that moment. It helps you estimate embodied carbon at the concept stage, with minimal inputs before decisions are locked in. You don't need a model to start. Sketch the site footprint, define the basics, and generate an early carbon baseline in minutes. From there, you can test real design choices fast. Compact or tall, timber or concrete, reuse or new build, and immediately see how each option shifts both carbon and cost. The data is tailored to local requirements across many countries and can be customized to reflect your own construction practices. The result is fewer assumptions, less redesign, and more confident conversations with clients. Everything runs directly in your web browser. No downloads, no setup.